Articulation. Any tongue twister will suffice. I'm going to use red leather, yellow leather. And you can do different things with it. So you could just speak it normally first. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Really making the tongue wrap itself around those vowels and consonants. You can speak it backwards. Leather, red, leather, red. You can speak it with an obstruction between your teeth, which will work the inner articulators. I'm going to use the tip of my finger. Just place it gently between my teeth. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. And then backwards. Leather, red, leather, red. At first this will feel quite strange, but as the inner articulators begin to work and pick up the slack, you'll find that it will be much easier, even with the obstruction. The other thing you can do is to begin slowly and then speed up. Red leather, yellow leather, 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 red. And you can do that backwards as well. Any tongue twisters will engage those 6 articulators. Modulation and inflection. Any children's book will help you with this. It's all about the balance of our pitch, our use of pauses, our speed and pace, and our volume, and the alterations that we can make with that. Although your normal narration for your films, you wouldn't be using a style that would be used to tell a children's tale or read the lines of a storybook. But it's very good to break that sound barrier, and I'll be speaking more to you about that down the track. So I've chosen to just read you a little tiny bit out of Green Eggs and Ham, Dr. Seuss, a personal favourite. What we have to watch is that we don't allow the phrases to drop down at the end. For example, and I'm on page 61. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there, and I will eat them anywhere. There's no interest, there's no variety in the voice. If we lift those ends of each of those sentences, it makes all the difference in the world. For example, so I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there, and I will eat them anywhere. All of a sudden, there's more variety going on in the voice. If you want to, you can take it right over the top, and kids love this. So, I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there. I will eat them anywhere. Any amount of animation that you can put into your daily practice is going to help you enormously. It helps break that sound barrier. If you are serious about narration, I cannot recommend more highly engaging a vocal coach. He or she will be able to help you specifically. And always, if there are any exercises that you like and they work for you, hang on to them and practice them. Ones that don't, just hold them more gently in your hand and let them slip through.